welcome, hello to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Silver Daisies and this is my channel. So subscribe so that you can become part of the garden. So on today's Thrifty Tuesdays, I'm going to show you guys how I make my nails go from this to this. Now, I didn't always know how to do acrylic nails. I only acquired the talent let's say a few months ago. Anyways, so I practiced and I watched people do their nails, and then it was difficult. So I simplified it so that I can show you guys how to do your nails quick and easy. Something was in my throat. Quick and easy for beginners. Let's get into the video. So first, I'm going to show you guys the equipment that I use to do my nails. So first, we're going to start off with the acrylic liquid. I put this in like a random 5-rand shop, and it's called Pink Teas, and you can get this for like 50 to 60 rand. And then next, we have the acrylic powder, which I bought in a shop in Cape Town that's called Mimi Q. And if you can't get them, like, you can go to like random what do you call this, beauty, like how can I say it, like just small beauty shops, and then they sell it from like 10 to 20 rand. And then next off we have the nail glue. You can either buy this one, or if you want you can buy the nail glue which has like a brush, so you can easily brush like everything on. But like for me, I prefer this one. And this one I just buy like from down my house. There's like a China shop, so then I just buy this. And then this, I use this. Okay, you can't remove acrylic nails with normal nail polish remover. I use this before I put anything on my nails, because like you have to make sure that they clean and that they dry before you start anything. And then these are professional nail tips that I bought from Clicks, and I forgot how much they were, but they're very reasonable price, and they come with their own glue, but the glue is like finished already, and there's 100 of them. And then I just got like random what do you call it, tissue, so that I can use the what do you call this, nail polish remover, and in case of like any spills anywhere. And then do not be fooled by the bottle. This is coconut oil. I just put it in like a cup in hot water, like the whole bottle in the cup in hot water, and then it melts. This is for after you've done your nails, and then like you just apply it around the cuticle. Next we have my, can you guys see this, Essence 3D Shine Top Coat Gel Look, and this is for after you've done your acrylic and you've buffed it and everything, so that it gives you that shine on top. And then you have your nail file. I'm in desperate need of a new nail file. This is your nail file which you're going to buffer your nails with. And then guys, this is not a professional, what do you call this, brush for nails. I was like, oh hell no, I'm not going to the shop just to go buy brushes. So literally I use the paint brushes that I bought for art in school. And then we got this. I bought this, right? And I don't know the name of it. Like, if you guys just see, okay, it's not focusing. Why is it not focusing? Okay, there you go. If you guys just see, like, it's shaped like this, and literally removes the skin, I think it's like dead skin of your cuticle, so that when you apply the acrylic nails, they look good. And then lastly but not least, I have my nail cutter, which I use to cut the nails. But recently I found that because these are actually quite long acrylic nails, so cutting with that nail cutter, like the whole thing takes a lot of time. So what I do is that I would cut a bit of it off with the scissors, and then just that final touches I do with a nail cutter. But let's get on into actually doing the nails.